I don't have it in my flat,
Oh,
unfortunately. Yes, I need to install it actually.
oh,
Or
yeah.
yeah, I see for students. By the way, our topic is environment. Yes, today the
Yeah,
environment.
exactly. And we can start right now. Yeah, we can start right now,
Okay,
teacher.
great. Oh, I see students. So maybe you will change your wonderful names to some English ones here.
Yeah. Okay,
Mhm,
so Miss Thảo, Hương, and Lan, change your name into English one, please. Yeah,
mhm.
so that the teacher can call you easily. Yeah.
Yeah, but frankly speaking, it's high time to learn your names to
Yeah.
pronounce. Yes, like that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes.
So hello, girls. Hello. I can see. Yeah, can you change your names? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Oh, Maris. Okay. Hello, Maris. How are you today?
Yes, I got.
Okay, good, good. Hello, Anna. How are you today?
I'm good today.
Okay, great. Hello, Mon. How are you today?
Hello, teacher. I'm good.
Okay, great. And one more student. We are waiting. Yeah, like that. But I
No.
believe that.
Yeah, you can start right now. She's coming. That's okay.
Yeah. I believe that we can start.
Yeah.
And wait a minute.
Mhm.
I will share the screen with you
Yes.
and we'll begin.
Yeah.
Mhm. So this one, and this one. Yeah. Okay, my friends, let's have a look. Let's have a look at this picture. So, Maris, what can you see in this picture?
I see. I see the eat.
Earth, Earth, Earth.
Elf.
Yeah,
Elf.
our planet, the Earth. Absolutely, you're right.
And
Yeah.
hand.
Uh-huh.
And hot elf.
Yeah,
Tree.
right. Yeah, good,
And,
good for you.
and
Absolutely.
butterfly.
Yeah, two butterflies. Very nice. And so, Anna, what do you think? What our today's topic is, judging by this picture?
I see
Mhm.
two hands.
Yeah. No. I mean, what do you think? What is the topic of our today's class? What are we going to discuss today with you?
Investment.
Right, you're right. We are going to discuss with you the topic environmental protection. Absolutely, you're right. Or I see Linda has appeared. Hello, Linda. How are you today?
Hello, teacher. Today I'm good.
Okay, that is nice. So, ladies, today we are talking with you the topic environmental protection, and it is, one of the favorite topics at the exams. If you decide to pass all these international exams, Cambridge or IELTS, be sure that you will have some text or something connected with this topic. That's why we have to know with you vocabulary, because it is very specific in this topic. Yes, like that. But firstly, let's check your homework. As I understand, if it wasn't your homework, we will discuss this topic. Here it is about the following: children should get pocket money. Do you agree or disagree? Yeah, like that. So, Mon, what do you think? Should children get pocket money? Do you agree with this statement? Mhm. Yeah, Mon, do you hear me?
I think the children should get pocket money.
Why do you think so?
Because
Mhm. So, yeah, okay, Mon, you can think a little bit. Maybe I will ask another student. Linda, what do you think? Should children get pocket money? Uh-huh.
I think children disagree get should get pocket money.
You disagree with that, yes? So you think that children shouldn't get pocket money, right?
Yes.
Okay, Linda, why not? Why don't we have to give pocket money to children?
Mm,
Mhm.
I think uh
Mhm. Maybe do you remember this verb spoil? Yes, maybe you can say that
um
it can spoil children, yes?
children
Uh-huh.
who use money early will not know to spend properly.
Right here, how to spend properly because they will buy everything they want, actually.
Yes.
Yeah, there is some sense in what you are saying. Okay, good for you. Anna, what do you think? Should children get pocket money?
I think children shouldn't get pocket money.
Mhm. Why not?
Because
Uh-huh.
children will waste money on unnecessary things.
Mhm. Okay. Yep, good. So you support Linda. Maris, what do you think? Should children get pocket money?
I think not, because
Also
it
not. Uh-huh.
spoils children by spend money to eat too early.
Okay, you are very strict, actually, yes. And what about to teach children to deal with money? They have to be able to go shopping sometimes for them not to have problems in the future. What do you think, Maris?
I think my father, no, they they father, they parent
Mhm.
is buy something for children.
Like that. Okay. No, actual. Oh, Mon has appeared. So Mon, so let's talk with you one more time. So should children get pocket money or they shouldn't? What do you think? Mon, do you hear me? Hello, Mon, do you hear? Do you hear us? Or you have problems with the connection? Maybe yes. It seems to me. Okay. Anyway, you're right, but maybe it depends on the amount of money, how much money you give children. Yes, like that. If you give maybe little pocket money, it's not a big problem. But of course, if you buy everything, give a lot of money, of course, I agree with you. Okay, my friends, but we are talking today not about pocket money. We are talking with you about the environment, and we'll start with an interesting video, which is called, here you can see, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Patch, you can see it's like an area here, some territory, some area. And Pacific, it's like the Pacific Ocean. Here, you know, we have in Vietnam, you have Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Yes. Do you call it? Yeah.
I think I think New Zealand and Vietnam much so much charge.
Okay, my friends. So now let's watch this video. Just a moment. I will switch you to this video. Yes. And we are going to watch it. Just a moment, please. This is it. Yeah. Okay. Do you see? Yeah. So let's begin. So watch attentively and try to memorize the given information in this video about this great Pacific garbage patch, because then we will have some tasks, true, false statements, and so on. So let's get started.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch. With so many factories that make disposable toothbrushes, pens, cans, bottles, and wrappings, garbage is a very big problem in our world today. You may think that garbage is everywhere. Well, you're right. It is everywhere. A good and scary example of this is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch was first discovered by scientists in the 1980s. It is an area of floating garbage in the Pacific Ocean that is about the same size as Texas. There are many kinds of garbage in the garbage patch, but plastic bottles and bags and other things made of plastic cause the biggest problem. What's the problem, you may ask? First, plastic bottles and bags may take hundreds or maybe even thousands of years to break down. Second, plastic is made from chemicals. As the plastics break down over time, chemicals enter the water and enter the fish that live in the water. These chemicals can make the fish sick, and they can also make the people who eat the fish sick. So, what can we do? There are many things we can do. We can clean up our oceans, we can stop making so many things from plastic, and we can recycle more. The important thing is to do something.
Okay. That's all. Shall we watch again one more time? Or it's okay? One more time, yes?
No.
No, it's okay. So Anna, Linda,
Yes.
Mon, everything is clear. Yes, like that. Okay. Okay, great. Wait a minute. I come back now to our lesson and we'll discuss this video with you. Here it is. Good. And girls, let's start with a small vocabulary. So keep in mind the information about this video, and we are going to get acquainted with some words from this video. Yes, and the first word is factory. We have to match the words to the definitions. So let's have a look at the definitions on the right. Yep. And let's choose. So Anna, what do you think? What is the definition of a factory? What is it? A factory.
One less E.
Let's read it. Yeah, Anna, you're right. Just read. Factory is, say that.
Factory say that building where people make things.
Absolutely, you're right here. So this is factory, yeah, like that. Good. Okay, well done. Now the next word, it is an adjective, disposable. So Linda, can you find the definition for the word disposable?
Disposable, able to be thrown away after using a short time.
Absolutely. Actually, when you use something only once, yes, so these things are disposable. Very good. Okay. The next word is wrapping. Yeah. Mon, do you hear me? Let's find the definition for the word wrapping. Mhm.
Wrapping is a material used to make bottle, pen, toy, and
Yeah, sorry, F, you think, material used to make bottles, bags, and toys. How to say, actually, you are right up to the point, but it's not precise. Yes. Look, Mon, F, maybe it will be plastic, you see? Because we make bottles,
Ah.
bags, and so Mon, yeah, you can change your opinions. So what is wrapping? Mm-hmm. Oh, Mon, I can't hear you. Yeah, say again.
Wrap là gói đúng không?
Okay, girls, maybe you can have. Yeah, Mon, say.
cái này đúng không nhỉ? To for the bad into small piece.
Yeah, and
No.
you mean it's not C. Maybe anybody else knows. Anna, what do you think? What is wrapping? Anna, do you know this word? Wrapping? Oh, I can't hear you, Anna. Maris, maybe you can help.
Yes.
Yeah, what is it?
Material, some or quick.
Not exactly. Linda, maybe you will try.
No.
No.
Yes.
So Linda, what is wrapping?
Wrapping is a cover that people use to protect things.
Yeah, right. Yeah. By the way, remember this word? We have a wrapping paper. Yes, like that. No? I don't have anything to show you. Yes, like that. For example, you see, I have a sweet. You see, and this is wrapping. Yes, this is a sweet, and this is wrapping. Yes, you wrap a sweet, for example, into it. Yes, so remember, it's a good word. You can wrap presents. You know, when you give presents, you wrap them into some interesting multicolored paper. So remember this word, girls, wrapping. Okay, good. Float, the next word, it's a verb. So Linda, what do you think? What is it? To float?
Float.
Okay, Maris, answer.
It's A, to stay on
Uh-huh.
or near the surface or water.
Right, when we are talking about water, you can say different objects. I don't know, boats can float. Yes, like this, float, absolutely. Okay, Linda, plastic for you, please. What is plastic?
I think plastic is a material used to make butter, bag, toy, egg.
Yep, absolutely, you're right. This is plastic. Yes, plastic. Good. The next verb, in English, it is called phrasal verb, break down. So, Anna, what do you think? To break down, what does it mean?
Break down is to fall apart into small parts.
Yeah, absolutely. Break down. Sometimes we use the word decompose. Yes, break down and decompose. But decompose is used more for maybe some natural materials or something like that. Decompose. Good for you. So the next one, Mon, what about chemicals?
Chemical material, some of which are dangerous to health.
Good for materials, yes, materials, chemicals, yeah. Yeah, draw attention that in this word we pronounce this like k, yes, chemicals, not like ch, like k, chemicals. Good for you. And the last one, Maris, recycle.
Recycle to change something so that it can be used again.
Absolutely right. Very important word in this topic. Yes, recycle, recycling, and so on and so forth. Okay, good words. So remember them. Oh, I don't know why it is repeated. Now let's come to our video. Yes, like that. Let's read some statements from this video, and we have to identify if these statements are true or
Yes.
false. Yes, like that. So Mon, let's read the first statement here. Mon, do you hear me?
There are too many factories near the Pacific Ocean.
Good for Pacific Ocean. Is it true or false according to the video?
It's true.
It's true. Mon thinks it's true. Maris, what do you think? Do you agree with Mon?
No.
No?
False.
Maris thinks it's false. Okay, Anna, what is your answer? There are too many factories near the Pacific Ocean. According to the video, is it true or false?
I think it's true.
It is true. Okay, Linda, what is your answer?
I think the one is true.
It's also true. Okay, but by the way, Maris, why are you changing your opinion? It is false. In the video, it was said that there are a lot of factories on the land, and these garbage somehow gets into the Pacific Ocean. But there are not so many factories near the Pacific Ocean itself, yes? So it was false. Maris, you were right. Okay, Linda, statement number 2, let's read. So Linda, read it. Sentence number 2.
I think number 2 is
yeah, Linda, let's read it. Let's read the great. Read it.
the Great Pacific Grabber part. It is
Texas.
Texas.
Texas, it's like a state in America. In Vietnam, you have provinces, yes, like that. Your country is divided. And in America, there are states. That's why United States of America. So, and the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is in Texas, in this state. So, Linda, is it true or false? According to the video.
It true.
Linda thinks that it is true. Anna, what do you think?
I think it's true.
Also true. Mon, what do you think?
True. I think it's true.
Maris?
I think it's false.
It's false. Okay. Okay, girls, let's do it like this because I see maybe we watched only once. Let's watch one more time. Okay. Yes. Let's read all the statements and then we will watch one more time. Okay.
Yeah.
So look at these statements yourself. Just read all of them and then we will watch again. It's normal, we watch usually twice. Yeah, like that. Mhm. Mhm. So have you read? Yeah. Did you finish reading? Now, my friends, let's watch again. I will show you again another screen, and this time try to be attentive. Okay, so let's start. Get ready. Let's begin.
Pacific Garbage Patch. With so many factories that make disposable toothbrushes, pens, cans, bottles, and wrappings, garbage is a very big problem in our world today.
Today.
You may think that garbage is everywhere. Well, you're right. It is everywhere. A good and scary example of this is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch was first discovered by scientists in the 1980s. It is an area of floating garbage in the Pacific Ocean that is about the same size as Texas. There are many kinds of garbage in the garbage patch, but plastic bottles and bags and other things made of plastic cause the biggest problem. What's the problem, you may ask? First, plastic bottles and bags may take hundreds or maybe even thousands of years to break down. Second, plastic is made from chemicals. As the plastics break down over time, chemicals enter the water and enter the fish that live in the water. These chemicals can make the fish sick, and they can also make the people who eat the fish sick. So, what can we do? There are many things we can do. We can clean up our oceans, we can stop making so many things from plastic, and we can recycle more. The important thing is to do something.
Okay. Now, yep, let's come to discussion. Just a moment, I will share the screen back and we'll try to discuss one more time. It will be easier for you this time. Yes, like that. Okay. So the first question, there are too many factories near the Pacific Ocean. I hope you have heard the answer. So Linda, what about statement number 2? Again, coming back to you. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is in Texas. Is it true or false, Linda?
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is in Texas. It's false.
Why false?
Because The Great Pacific Grapple Pass is not in Texas.
Texas, right, you're, yes. And do you remember what was said in the video? Because this state was mentioned. They said Texas, but what was the answer?
No, even in the world.
Sorry, Maris, say again.
I see it happen in the world, not in Texas.
Yeah, right, you're right. But why did they say Texas? Did you understand? Maybe
yes.
Anna? Yeah, and why, Maris?
Nó chỉ là for example.
No, actually, look, they use the phrase the size of Texas.
Size of small.
Yeah, the territory of this patch is like the size of Texas. Yes, like that. And for you to understand, Texas is the biggest state in America, the biggest province, actually. Yes, like that. And can you imagine? It's huge territory. So that's why you are right. It is not in Texas, but it is the size of Texas. Okay, Linda, well done. Good answer this time. Anna, number 3, let's read.
The Texas in made from plastic is a big problem. Be true.
It is true, absolutely. Well done. It is 100% true. Good for you. Mon, are you with us? Mon, let's read the sentence number 4, please.
Scientists discovered the Great Pacific
Garbage.
Apart
Good.
hundreds of years ago.
So is it true or false?
It's true.
It is true. So they discovered, opened this page hundreds of years ago, actually. Yes. So Mon thinks it's true. Yes. Anna, what do you think?
I think it's false.
False.
Because scientists discovered the Great Pacific Garbage Patch in 1980.
Oh, exactly. So Mon, look, it was discovered in 1980, not hundreds of years ago, just 40, 50 years ago. Yes, like that. Okay, you are right. So it is false. Good. Now let's come to the next statement. Maris, read please, number 5.
Chemical can make both fish and person sick. I think the question is true.
Yeah, exactly. Sick, like ill, it is true. Absolutely. You're right. Good for you. And Linda, the last one, number 6. Let's read.
Number 6 is true. There are many things we can do to fix this problem.
Yep, to fix. Yeah, you remember this verb. It's like to solve, to tackle, we can say sometimes. Yes, like synonyms: to fix, solve, tackle the problem, and so on and so forth. Yeah, exactly, you're right. Okay, my friends, much better. Yes, after the second watching, good job. Okay, that is nice. Now let's come to vocabulary connected with this topic, and let's have a look at this picture. Maybe you know what it is, what word is depicted here.
Deforestable.
Yeah. Only look, repeat after me. Deforestation.
Deforestation.
Yeah, let's repeat one by one. Maris, repeat please. Deforestation.
Deforestation.
Good for you. Deforestation. Anna, repeat please. Deforestation.
Deforestation.
Mon, repeat please. Deforestation.
Deforestation.
Excellent. Linda, repeat please.
Deforestation.
Right. It is the process of cutting down the trees. Yeah. Do you have this problem in your country, Linda? Do you have the problem of deforestation in Vietnam?
Yes.
Yeah, like that.
Right here,
Mhm.
I think.
Yeah, people. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Don't be shy. People, cut down. Yes, the trees a lot. Cut down the trees. It's a problem in all countries nowadays. That's why. Unfortunately, it's like this. Okay, so deforestation. The next one, the next picture. What is it? Do you know?
Global warming.
Yeah, yes.
Global
Warming. Yeah.
Warming.
Somebody has said. So repeat after me. Global warming.
global warming.
Global warming.
Anna, repeat please.
Global warming.
Good. Anna, repeat.
Global warming.
Good. Mon, repeat please.
Global warming.
Excellent. Linda.
Global warming.
Yeah, global warming, the decrease of temperature on our planet. Yes, like this. Okay, good. The next one, it is natural habitat. So repeat after me, natural habitat.
Natural habitat.
Right, you are. Anna.
Natural habitat.
Good. Mon, repeat please.
Natural habitat.
Excellent. Linda.
Natural habitat.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Do you know what it is? What is natural habitat? Who can explain me? Mon,
Speak.
can you explain me this word? What is it? Natural habitat. Mhm. Yeah, Mon, you can answer if you know.
Yes.
Yeah, what is it? Natural habitat. Okay, maybe Anna can help us. Do you know this word, Anna?
Habitat of plants and animals.
Yeah, right. Where some specific species or kinds of animals or plants live or grow. Yes, like that. Natural habitat. Absolutely. Right. Yeah. You're right. So a good word. Good for you. Now let's move on. And let's come to the next one. This is climate change. So repeat after me. Climate change.
Climate
Climate
change.
Change. Yeah, Anna, repeat please.
Climate change.
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 Oh, that's it. Cool for you. Change. J sound. Yeah. D plus J. We have change. Climate change, you understand. It is like what happens because of all these problems that we have on our planet. Okay. Yes. Do you feel climate change in Vietnam, Linda? Or not?
Yes.
In what way? What climate change do you have in your country?
In the country.
No, in your city, what climate in Vietnam? What climate change do you have actually?
Is rain. It's cold.
It is colder.
Yeah, and it's so hot and it's so cold.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I live in Europe also. And in summer it is very hot here, but it has never been like this. Yes, like that. Good answer. Okay, the next one is solar power. So repeat after me, solar power.
Solar power.
Right, Mon, repeat please. Solar power. Mon, do you hear me? Repeat this phrase, please. Solar power.
Solar power.
Right. So what is solar power, Mon? What do you think? Look at the picture, it can help you.
Energy
Yeah.
sun.
Right, you're exactly. Good job. It is the energy of the sun. Yes, and we have special, you know, solar panels actually to get this energy. Yes, like this. Do you have solar panels in Vietnam, Anna? Is it popular in your country?
Absorb sunlight. Energy.
So, yeah, wait a minute, Anna, is it popular to have solar panels and to get solar power in your country?
What
I mean, do people do this? Do people use solar power in your country? Did you catch the idea? Look, I will write you. Do people use solar power in your country? So, Anna?
people use water power in my country?
Water power. Yes, it's more popular. Yes, hydro stations maybe. Okay, that is also interesting. Good answer. So the next one, it is a difficult word, garbage. So repeat after me, garbage.
Garbage.
Garbage, yes. Mona, repeat please, garbage.
Garbage.
Good for Anna.
Garbage.
Good for you, Linda.
Garbage.
Garbage, good for you. Maris.
Garbage.
Yeah, right. But you know, it's American word. In Europe, usually people say rubbish. Yeah, or litter. Yes, like that. They're like synonyms here, like that. Rubbish or litter, yeah, or garbage. Yes, like this. So you can see a lot of synonyms for this word. Okay, let's move on. The next one, it is about animals who died out in the past, like dinosaurs. It is become extinct. Difficult word. So repeat after me. Become extinct.
Become extinct.
Become extinct.
Good for you. Mon, repeat, please. I can't hear you. Become extinct.
Become extinct.
Good for you. Maris, repeat, please.
Become extinct.
Good for you. Anna.
Become extinct.
Linda.
Become extinct.
Yep, right here. So animals, because of us, people can become extinct. Or simply saying they can die out. Yes, to become extinct, it's like to die out. Yes, like this. Okay, ladies, the next one, the next phrase is contaminated. So repeat after me, contaminated.
Contaminated.
Yep, absolutely. What is contaminated? What is the synonym to this word? Contaminated. You know this word. It starts with letter P.
Unpowerly.
Sorry, Maris, one more time.
It's unpoly.
Maybe you mean polluted. Yeah,
Yes.
maybe this one. Yes, don't say unpolluted. It's like vice versa. It's like clean. And contaminated, it's like polluted. Yeah, polluted is a more popular word. Yes, like that. Okay, good for you.
Pure.
Ah,
Yes,
pure. Yes, pure is okay. But again, pure is like clean, you know. But if you
In
mean,
I
uh,
don't,
yeah, yeah,
unpure
yep.
in environment.
Okay, okay, good for you. So contaminated, remember, an interesting word. The next one, it's an easy one, eco-friendly. So repeat after me, eco-friendly.
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 Okay, okay, good. And two more pictures. This one is use up. So repeat after me, use up.
Use up.
Use up.
Yes. What does it mean to use up? Do you know this word? Yeah. Mon, do you know this word? To use up. What does it mean? No?
No.
Okay, okay. No, not the problem. Anna, what about you? Do you know this word? To use up? No? Mhm. Okay, Maris, Linda, maybe you can help. What does it mean to use up?
Exhausted. Exhausted. Now run out. Run out.
Yeah, run out, you mean, yes, this word. Yeah, you're right. But to use up, it means to use all of something, you know, so that nothing is left. For example, look, you can see toothpaste. Sometimes we use half of it and we throw it away. But we need to use it up, to use it till the end, you know, everything, to use all paste, yes, like that. This is to use up. Okay, good for you. Now let's move on. The next word, reduce. So repeat after me, reduce.
Reduce.
Yeah, reduce. Mon, repeat please, reduce.
Reduce.
Yeah, good. For what does it mean to reduce? Do you know?
Reduce is recycling.
Actually, it is related to this, but it's not exactly like that. Maybe Maris, you know what it means to reduce?
Nessun.
No, it's like, you know, to reduce, it's like to decrease, actually, to use less. Yeah, you're right. To go down, yes, to reduce. Absolutely, you're right. Good for you. So the next word reuse. So repeat after me, to reuse.
Reuse.
Reuse. What does it mean to reuse? Anna, do you know? You know, we have this prefix re here, yeah? And this prefix re,
The
yeah, re means like again. So if you reuse
Recycle.
something, yeah, you use something again, like recycle. In fact, yeah, you're right, absolutely. By the way, the last word will be here, it is recycle. So repeat after me, recycle. Recycle. Okay, my friends, now let's come to more interesting tasks, and let's sort out trash or garbage, yes, like that. Do people sort out trash in your country, Linda? So, Linda, do people sort out trash in your country?
I
Sort out, look, maybe you don't know this word. It's like, look, you have, for example, three bins. You can see like the first one, it is for green waste. It's like, you know, this natural waste, maybe some leftovers from products, from food, yes, like that. The next
Oh.
bin, it is recycling, what we can recycle, like paper, metal, I don't know, glass, for example. And the last one, it is just general waste, waste which we can't recycle or which we can't use in any way, yes, like that. And this is called sorting out, yes, to sort out the garbage, for example, yes, like that. So do people sort out the garbage in your country, Linda?
The sort out is green waste bin.
Like that. Okay. Okay, my friends. Now let's have a look at these different items, things, and we have to place them into the necessary rubbish bin. Yes, like that. And you have to make up the sentence. Yes, like this. So, Mon, let's start with the pot plant. So where should it go? Make up the sentence. A pot plant should go to, and you say where, okay? So
Post,
what do you think?
a post plant go green with pin.
Right, should go, yes, because you give recommendation. Pot plant, yes, we can say should go to, and so on and so forth. Yeah, you're absolutely right. It is green waste bin. Well done, Mon. Anna. The next one, it is a branch from trees.
One
Mhm.
should go to green waste bin.
Also green waste bin. Absolutely, you're right. Good for you. The next word, Mary's, notes. What do you think about notes?
Not in the recycling bin.
Yeah, should go. Yes, you can say notes should go to the
Should go
recycling bin. Right, because it is paper. Yes, made of paper. Good for you. Yeah, Linda, the next word, it is diaper. You know, for babies. Yes, like this, diaper.
Therefore, is
Should go to
generous
Waste, general waste.
General waste bin.
Yeah, absolutely, you're right. We can't recycle them. And can you imagine how many diapers people use every day on the planet? Millions, actually. Yes, like that. And by the way, you know, diaper, sometimes people call them nappy. Nappy, yes, you can say a diaper or a nappy, yes, like this. Okay, good for you. So the next one, who's torn, Mon, metal tin. So this special metal can or tin.
Metal tin should go to general waste bin.
You think general waste bin, but it's like metal. Maybe we can recycle it or use it again. So what do you think, Mon?
Metal tin should go to recycling bin.
Yeah, right. Because it's metal, you know, you can use it, melt it, and make one more tin, you know. That's why for sure it's recycling. Good for you. So Anna, the next one, box, a box.
I think pot should go to recycling bin.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. Cause it's paper. Good for you. So, Maris, the next one, it is this electric bulb. It's a little
Oh.
bit old-fashioned, maybe. in a way.
General what's the bin?
Yeah, you're absolutely right, my friend. We can't recycle these bulbs, unfortunately. And finally, Linda, food wrappings. This word, yes, today we had wrapping.
I think food wrapping is general waste bin.
Yes, absolutely, you're right, absolutely. And what about you, Maris? Do you sort out the garbage in your house? Do you sort out it?
It's such how in green green dustbin.
Green waste only bin, yes, like
Waste.
that. Okay, but recycling in general, not. Okay, Anna, what about you? Do you sort out the garbage?
Waste bin.
Also, green waste bin, yes, like this. Okay. Mon, what about you? Do you sort out the garbage?
Recycling bin.
So you use recycling bin, for example, right? Or not? Okay, good for Linda. What about you? Do you sort out the garbage?
I saw green waste bin.
Like that. Okay. But you know, in some countries, people go crazy. They have 5 bins, more than 3 bins. I was in Germany, you know, they sort out everything actually, yes, like that. They have 5 or 6 bins and sort out this rubbish. Okay, yes, we have to do it to make our planet cleaner. Okay, my friends, well done. Now quickly, let's come to more vocabulary task and revise the words that we were learning today. So Maris, read the first definition, please. Here, and you have to guess the word. Okay.
Intellectual investment in quick and animal or plant you life.
Usually lives.
Usually
Leaves,
It,
yes.
it's habit. It's a natural
Habitat.
habit.
Right, you're right. Your mom prompted you, but you know also this word. Great for natural habitat. Well done. So, Mon, the next phrase for you. Let's read it here. Poisonous or not pure. Yeah. Poisonous, it's like very bad, very negative for the environment. So what do you think? Look here, not pure. Yeah. So Mon, do you know this word? Okay, Anna, what do you think?
I have no idea.
Okay, a good phrase you have used, by the way. I have no idea. Linda, Maris, help us, please.
Unpainted
Okay.
Climate change.
No. Look, it will be contaminated, like polluted, dirty, yes, contaminated, yes, or polluted. So remember this word, yes, like that. Okay, Anna, number 3, let's read.
Products have been designed to have little or no damaging effect on the environment.
Good reading. So what do you think?
I
How do we call
think-
products, these products?
Recycle.
Recycle, it's afterwards we recycle them, but when firstly we make these products which have little or no damaging effect, like bad ruining effect on the environment, how do we call these products? Who remembers? Mon, Linda, Maris, help. I will help you. This word consists of two parts. The first part is eco.
Eco.
Eco-friendly.
Right, Mon, exactly. Bingo. Eco-friendly products. Yes, because you make eco-friendly products and they do little harm or no harm at all. Okay. Okay, Linda, number 4, let's read.
Number 4 is a cutting down of trees in a large
Area.
area or the destruction of forests by people.
Mhm.
Is deforestation.
Absolutely, you're right. Well done. Deforestation. Good for you. Good for you. So, Mon, number 5, let's read. Mhm. So, let's read it.
To eat, to sort and collect rubbish in order to treat it and produce useful material that can be used again.
Look, materials that can be used again one more time. So what do we do to get?
Recycle.
Absolutely, you're right, Mon. Well done. It is to recycle. Good for you. Right. Okay, Anna, the next one on the right side.
Like waste. When I stop eating sugar.
Yeah. The idea is like what? Your weight maybe goes down actually. Yes. And what word? Yeah, I see. Girls are trying to prompt you. So Anna, do you have any ideas?
No.
Okay, Mon.
Reduce.
Right, you are
Reduce.
reduces. So Anna, remember this word, reduce, like to go down. Yes,
Down.
like that. Okay, good. Maris, the next one.
To you or something for so that nothing
Is left, right. So you use all of that. You use all of something.
You.
Sorry, again, say Maris.
You
Yeah. Use up. Absolutely, you're right. Yes. Did you mean this one? To use up. Yes. To use till the end. Everything. Yeah, like that. Okay. Well done, Linda. The next one.
To convert resources. Please this carry back.
So if you want to conserve, like to protect resources, what do we have to do?
Is
maybe like to use it one more time, not to carry a bag. Is like this bag, you go shopping and you buy this package, plastic package, and usually people throw it away. at once, but you shouldn't do it. You should use it one more time or several times. And how do we call this?
Recycle.
Yeah, but it's not like recycle. Recycle, it's like you throw it away, but in some special rubbish bin. And if you use it many times, how do we call it?
Use.
Reuse, right? You're right. So you were right, Linda. It's like recycle, but only recycle, you throw it away, in fact, and reuse, you use it more and more times. Yes, like that. Okay, good. Anna, the next one. Mhm.
Electricity produced by using the sun, solar power.
Excellent, good for you. Solar power. And Mon, the last one. Mhm.
Fossil fuels, such as coal and gas, produce greenhouse and contribute to global warming.
Yeah, absolutely. You are right. Global warming. By the way, draw attention to this phrase, fossil fuels. When we get to the energy from coal, gas, what else? Oil also, yes. And all these mineral resources are called fossil fuels. Yes, like that. Okay, ladies, very nice. Vocabulary is very difficult. That's why, of course, after the lesson, you will learn them. And now we have time. Let's discuss a little bit, yes, like this. The first question we have discussed with you. Do you often separate garbage? So we can skip it. Let's come to question number 2. Do you reuse anything, and what do you reuse? So Linda, do you reuse anything? Like use it many times?
I reuse plastic, water, bottle, and cup. That
Okay.
I
Plastic bottles and cups, right?
yes.
Okay, well done. Anna, what about you? Do you reuse anything?
I do
Reuse.
plastic bottle. The
Plastic.
bottle.
Okay, good. For Mon, what about you? Do you reuse anything?
Yes. I reuse a postal.
Okay, good. Maris, what about you? Do you reuse anything?
Yeah, I still bag carry bag.
Carrier bags, right? You're right. Carrier bags, or it's very interesting, yes, like that. Not to buy a new one in the supermarket all the time. Okay, good for you. Now let's come to the next, or it's an interesting question. Could you live without electricity in a week? What do you think? Could you live without electricity after 1 week or for 1 week? So Linda, what do you think?
I think I can live without electricity for a week.
Why not?
Because it is summer and a blackout is a terrible thing for me without a fan.
Do you have blackout sometimes in your city? Yeah, okay. Yeah, we also have sometimes here. By the way, nowadays there are problems with oil, electricity, and it's like this. Okay, Anna, what do you think? Could you live without electricity in a week?
No, I couldn't because the weather is so hot.
Yeah, and you need fans, air conditioning. Absolutely agree. Mon, what about you? Could you live without electricity in a week?
No, I couldn't.
Mhm.
Because it's so hot.
Yeah, but it's very interesting. You say about that it is hot. Usually people say we can't charge our gadgets, we can't use the internet if there is no electricity. Yes, and you speak about hot weather. Yes, like that. Maris, what about you? Could you live without electricity?
No, I couldn't live a day
Mhm.
without electricity. But
Mhm.
but my favorite play to stay electricity to turn off
Uh-huh.
the electricity. Yes, it's a very hot.
Yep, agree with you, especially in summer. And the last one, if you see a stranger throwing plastic into a lake, river, beach, what will you do? Will you tell anything to these people? So, Linda, what will you do?
If I see stranger throwing plastic waste into lake, river, sea, I will ask them to pick up trash and put it in the designated place,
Mhm.
and at the same time explain the pollution problem when throwing plastic waste into river lake on the bay will affect everyone in the future.
Yep, absolutely. You're right, actually. Yeah, good for you. So, Anna, what about you? What will you do in this situation? Will you tell anything the stranger? Mhm.
If I see a stranger throwing plastic into a lake, river, beach, I will remind them not to do that because doing so will cause environmental pollution.
Okay, good for you, Anna. And do people throw plastic in the streets or into rivers in your country? Mon, do people do this? Do people throw the garbage in the streets, for example? Mhm. Did you understand the question? I will write you. Look, do people in your country throw the rubbish in the streets, for example? So, Mon, do people in your country throw the rubbish in the streets? Oh, I can't. Oh, now I hear you.
Yes,
Yeah, they.
yes, I do.
No, not I do, they do. Yes, like that. Maris, what do you think? Do people in your countries throw the rubbish in the streets, or they try to throw the rubbish into the rubbish bins?
Yes, in the Vietnam, in Vietnam, people in Vietnam very throw rabbit everywhere.
It's not only in Vietnam, I can tell you, it is in many places. Yes, like that. Unfortunately, people, especially in big countries, you know, Vietnam is a big country in comparison with others, and unfortunately, it's like this. Okay, we have 5 minutes. Maybe let's discuss these questions. Maybe let's not break out into the teams because we don't have so much time. I will ask you the questions and you will answer. So, who lives near the ocean? So, Maris, do you live near the ocean?
Mm,
Mhm.
I me and teacher teach tea
Mhm. Mhm.
me to tea.
Mhm. So, no, like that in Vietnam, maybe I don't know. Your country is stretching from the north to the south. Maybe a lot of people live near the ocean. Yeah, sorry, what?
Just place
Mhm.
with in the Hải Phòng,
Mhm.
in the Đà Nẵng,
Uh-huh.
very city.
Exciting, you said, yes?
Mm,
Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, the next question. Do you want to be an environmentalist? You know, environmentalist is a person whose job is to take care of the environment, to save the planet, to clean the planet. So, Mon, do you want to be an environmentalist in the future?
I think no one want to be an
Environmentalist.
environmentalist.
Mhm. And why not? Why do you think so?
Because everyone are student in a university.
Mhm. Okay, you think from this point of view. Okay. Linda, what about you? Do you want to be an environmentalist in the future, to have it as a job, like to help the
I
planet? Uh-huh.
I I I will, yes,
Uh-huh.
because that help live the help the environment
Uh-huh.
better better.
Right, right. Absolutely, you're right. Okay, good. The next question. Do you often walk instead of taking a car or a bus? Anna, do you often walk, go on foot, or you prefer to take a car or a bus, public transport?
Yes, I go to school by foot, on
Foot.
foot
On
every
foot.
day.
Okay, yes, like that. Okay. Maris, what about you? Do you often walk, or you prefer to take a car or a bus or public transport?
yes, I think it's uh, breast
Mhm.
in environment.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. You're right. Okay, girls, let's stop here because we have 1 minute left, and here is your homework. Look, you have to film a video answering the question which we have discussed. Could you live without electricity for a week? Your teacher will tell you about your homework, maybe, yes, in detail. Girls, I can tell you that you are really cool. Yes, we had a good job today. Yes, the topic is very difficult. You know, personally, I think it is the most difficult topic in English because all these words, you know, environment, contaminated, it's difficult. Yes, that's why learn this vocabulary because this topic is very popular. As for English, it was very good. We had excellent discussion. You see, I could understand everything we were talking about. Yes, like that. You have very high level. So keep going, learn the words, listen to your teacher, and you will be on a higher level of mastering the English language. Yes, like that.
you, teacher.
Yeah,
Thank you, teacher.
thank you. Good job. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you, teacher, for help.
Yes, thank you, teacher, so much for your dedication, and we hope that we
Thank
can
you.
see you in the future. Yes.
Yep. I hope
Uh,
so. Thank
so
you.
ladies, wanna take a picture, ladies?
Yeah. Picture, of course.
Okay. So everyone, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Yes, beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, you're welcome. Bye bye. See you.
Yeah. Bye bye. Mhm.
Bye.
Teacher.
Okay, everyone, how do you feel about today's lesson? Lina, how do you feel?
I feel good.
Mm-hmm. You feel good? Okay. How much? I mean that how many percent? How many percent can you understand the teacher? English. Percent.
It 80.
80%. Ooh, good. Okay, I mean that more than 50%. What about Mary's? So how do you feel about today?
So topic difficult.
Oh, yes,
So this
difficult, right?
course topics, and I think I each 18%.
Yeah, 80%. Okay, yes, good job, our big sister. So everyone, especially Marys, if you want to understand more, we can prepare the lesson before we go to the lesson. Yes, all right. What about Anna? So how do you feel about today's lesson?
I feel very fun.
You feel very fun, and how many percent can you understand? Yeah.
I understand 18%.
80%. Wow, that's a lot, right? Okay, yes. What about Mon? What about Mon? Yes. Mon? Yes. How do you feel about today?
Today
Yes.
I feel good.
You feel good? All right, you feel good. Yeah. So let me see. How much can you understand the lesson? Much?
I understand 17
17.
percent.
Yeah, 70%. Okay, yeah, that's really nice. So everyone, I really appreciate your effort, and you have tried so hard. Yes, you know that if you want to understand the upcoming lesson, you need to spend time researching what I told you to prepare. Okay, yes, beside doing our homework. Okay, yes, and that's all, right? I wish you a good new week, ladies. That's all. And good night, ladies. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, no problem. You're welcome.
Good night, teacher.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye bye. Yeah.